this episode of FUM0105 machining we are making the Chinese steady rest, which was very flimsy. So, well, steady rest which is flimsy. Yeah, it was really. So I made it a little bit more rigid, so to say. And yeah, and well, I made this video so that there is no speech in the when I make it. It's so simple thing to make, so I just made the video and was filming while doing, and I cut suitable pieces here and there so you can see the process how this was made. Well, I also show you some photos how it looked originally. This one is already done, and I haven't been proving it, but I'm very sure it's way better than the original. Okay, let's first see how it was originally, and then we make these pieces, which are it's just basically a screw which has very fine thread, and then of course I needed to drill these parts here out and thread them as well. Well, it depends in the drill press, and yeah, we will see how that goes. Making single point threading in the lathe this time, no mishaps. So let's go on with this thing. that was it. And yeah, pretty simple task as you can see. And well, I still have one patient here. This is the follow rest, which is also flimsy. I showed you the pictures about this, how this was originally set up. I used because I didn't have the footage for the original looks. But now I have this follow-up rest, which is, well, it will be a follow-up. I don't, actually at the moment I don't need it, but once I start needing it, I will do that as well. So, well, in the next episode of Finno machining, I try to make something which is not a tool. So far I have been making improvements to my stuff and so on, and well, yeah, let's make something that is not a tool. I think about it, what it might be, and well, that will be in the next episode of Finno machining. Till then, see you!